front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on app lock and apparently select got it. And use this little switcher next to app lock feature to activate it. If you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use app lock, so in order to do that, tap on settings. Then hit use a different password type, select a perfect one for you, and create it. Repeat this to confirm it. Answer this security question and set up your recovery email. If you don't like the question, you can always click on it. Tap on one of those or choose custom question and create your own. Then choose confirm, answer it, and tap on the check mark at the top right corner. Now to lock any app, tap on gray switcher next to it and go back. So when I try to access it, I can see that app lock is required. To disable app lock from this app, go back to the same settings. Tap on app lock, enter privacy password, and tap on no blue switcher. You can even disable app lock completely by tapping on blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!